Hey everyone, it's Damien with Inferno UTV. Just want to throw a quick video together, show you how to put your new door bags into your Yamaha. So we got the door bags right here. They got your drink holder, favorite beverage, whatever you want. Inside we got a fleece lined pocket. So what you're going to do, two 4mm bolts are going to go through these buttonholes. You got your Velcro adhesive. Before you get started, make sure the inside of your door is nice and clean. I just use some aerosol glass cleaner. I found that works pretty good. It doesn't leave a residue on there. Pull these two 4mm bolts out. And they're going to go right through these buttonholes. Found if you get one started, just a little bit easier. You don't have to snug it up all the way. You need it to still rotate and turn a little bit. Get your other one, get it poked through. And then you can work there, get them tightened down. Once you have them nice and snug, they're not going to come back out. Peel off your adhesive off the back. And make sure before you try and pull these bags back off, you let these cure for a day or two so that this sticks. Should last a nice long time. And to just let it fall into natural place. Stick them down. Stick them down. Zip it back up. And right there, you're back in business. Ready to go out riding. Little trick that I found. When you're out there and you're getting banged around, a lot of guys are asking about putting knee pads in these. Honestly, you take about a half a bottle of water. You throw it in here into your beverage holder. And when that's in there, that acts as a pretty good cushion. Your phone holder is in here, so it's not going to be banging on your phone, glasses, whatever you might have in there. But just a little bit of a poor man's cushion. Only takes a few minutes to get them in. I hope you guys enjoy. Thanks. Have a great one. I've had a few questions about what kind of legroom you're going to have with the door bags. The Yamahas don't leave you a lot of legroom in them. So when you got a bottle in here, I have the PRP seats, which are a little wider than normal. But when you're riding through here, you can see I'm 6'1", and I still have a little bit of room. So if you're bouncing, that would bang against there. Pushing in the clutch, you're not rubbing against it all day. So they work out pretty good. I think if I would have made them any wider than this, you'd probably run into trouble. But the way they work right there, you have plenty of room. You can see where the passenger side bag, how it sits in there. It looks pretty good. I got it contoured with the seats. I kind of made them a little bit smaller for those of you that have the aftermarket seats.